Hello YouTubers, welcome back to another video here with GQ Auto Diagnostics and Repair. Today we'll show how to replace the crankshaft position sensor on a 2005 Mazda 3 with a 2.3 4-cylinder stick shift manual transmission. So you're going to remove the tire if you need to. Here sometimes you're going to have a cover, just a couple plastic retainers, and you can just remove it very easy. Now, a couple things before you start doing this: make sure you're gonna use 13, 16 or 21 millimeter socket with a ratchet. Now I want to show you something really quick before we start. So right here on the crankshaft pulley, you're gonna have an area where it's an empty space. Okay, so I don't know if you can see it there. So the teeth, you're gonna see the teeth, they're close to each other. See if I can show a better angle here. Here, very close to each other, and somewhere around the pulley you're gonna have a space right here. You can see it. Okay, so what are you gonna do from this space where you see the space, the one from the left, you're gonna start counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and number 9, that's the one you can either paint. You can see there it's already painted, so that's the one you're gonna focus on. Alright, so next thing you're gonna do, it's gonna be a little hole there on the crankshaft pulley, so you're gonna rotate it to that hole. It's gonna line up with a hole right behind the pulley. Okay, and the timing cover. Now you're gonna use a 6 millimeter bolt, M6, so you can line up you want it to go nice and easy. Okay, right there. You can tighten them up if you want to a little bit, if it don't make you right there, and that is lined up right there. Okay, now you can remove the AC belt if you want to, if you wish to. In this case you don't need to, but again, if you feel comfortable doing it, go ahead. You just got to make sure you have to reinstall it, and if you don't have the tool, this can be a little bit challenging. Okay, same thing, 5/16 or 8 millimeter socket. Just slide the belt a little bit to the side. Bolt, two bolts. This one will stay right there. Now it's pretty easy. Now I can actually, it should be easy. Give me a second. I need 2 hands to release that. Okay, now next thing that you're going to focus on here, you have the new sensor. Okay, you want to compare them. Both look the same. So now you can see here on these holes, it's not just like a fixed hole. So this one you have to adjust it. So here you see, let's see, it's a line right there, right about here. in the center. Right there. There you go. So what that does, that line, you're gonna have to line them up on the center of the tooth, the number 9 tooth that you marked there. Okay, so that has to be right in the center. So what we're gonna do, we're just gonna do that. Okay, so let's start installing this sensor. I always start with the top one. That's just me. One. Now I'm gonna use the second one. Right there. Okay, great. Both trade it in. Snug this bolt, that we can just adjust our line with the tooth. I don't know if you can see it there. Look like it is pretty center there. So now we're gonna tighten up the second one, and just let's slide that belt aside a little. So again, this is how you do it, and so hopefully this can help you to save some money. You just got to make sure those two lines that they pretty line up. Snug it. So you can just get it done. Well, if this video helped you in any way, shape, or form, please hit the subscribe button, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment. It would be highly appreciated. Make sure you plug that, and very important, remove this bolt, so that way you don't damage you, break the timing chain cover. Again, if you stay this long, please like the video, share, comment, subscribe, and I will see you on the next video. Alright, so God bless, do your best, and forget the rest. Till next time.